Smile.
Hey guys, Debbie and John here. Welcome back to the App Show.
One of the advantages of using Hangouts is that you can work from any location and still connect with your team. Today we're going to go over how to use Hangouts on a mobile device and even talk about how some of our customers are using it to make their work environment more flexible. Google Enterprise is now Google for Work, and you might have heard this in a couple different news stories, but we wanted to explain the change. Basically, Google didn't want to create another enterprise business, but really wanted to change the way that you work every day. So from a small coffee shop to an entrepreneur to a large corporation, we really wanted to help you work in a more impactful and efficient way.
And speaking of impact, a lot of you out there have asked for custom themes and forms. Well, our product team listened and now we have them. If you want to add one, create a new form and click the Change Theme button in the toolbar. From there, you can add photos, logos, change the fonts, background color, and more. And if you don't want to create a new theme, well, our team has added a bunch for you, so you can go ahead and pick from one of those.
We've talked about how Hangouts can help you work with your teams better regardless of location. But if you have a lot of workers in the field, or say you have a lot of retail stores, then Hangouts on the mobile platform might be your best option.
Yeah, for example, Chico's, an international clothing retailer, actually uses mobile Hangouts before every new store opening. Their central technology team has a local team member carry around a tablet dialed into a Hangout video call to show them where all of their IT equipment is set up. This is how they make sure it's properly set up before the store opens. Chico's is actually going to join us for a Hangouts on Air September 26th to tell us about stories like this and other ways in which they create a culture of innovation.
We also spoke to Oscar W. Larson, a company that specializes in fueling systems. And whenever they have something in the field that they need to take a closer look at, they actually jump on a Hangout right with the corporate headquarters so that no one has to fly out and have a look in person, and they can fix it right on the spot.
Having Hangouts on my phone saved me once. I was doing a presentation from home for an important potential customer when my building's power went out and all internet connectivity with it. Thankfully, I had Hangouts on my phone, so I pulled it out and finished the presentation that way, and everything ended up okay.
So we've went over a few stories and client experiences of why Hangouts are useful. Now we're actually going to go over how to use it. Now these demonstrations are going to be done on an Android device, but we'll also have links to the iOS instructions along the way. So for an example, if I was meeting Debbie on campus to show customers a tour of Google, if I don't know where we're meeting, what I'll do is I'll just send her a ping on Hangouts. First, I'll open the Hangouts app. Then I'll touch the Compose icon at the top right of the Hangouts list. Now I can type a person's name, email address, or phone number in the search box, or I can just select one of the Hangouts from the contact list below in the search box. You can also start a group Hangout by selecting anyone else in the contact box at the top of the Hangouts. In this case, I'll just message Debbie, I'll ask where she is and touch the send icon, simple as that. Hangouts are synced automatically as well, so if you start a Hangout on one device, you can just switch to another one and continue the exact same message.
So there's one convenient feature on mobile that you don't have on a computer. You can share where you are. So I can send John my exact map location. Along the bar where I type messages, I'll touch the location icon next to the camera icon. I can move the map to choose a location, or touch the My Location icon in the upper right-hand corner of the map to find where I am. Now touch the send icon or the red pin to add the location to the Hangouts conversation. I can add a message to the location and send that as well.
Debbie just mentioned the camera icon, and you can also send photos too. So go next to the location icon and just select the camera. You can snap a photo and send it with the message as well.
Now, if you want to turn your Hangouts into a video call, go ahead and open up a message with that person and touch the video call icon. You'll see your call start to dial. And if you're already in a Hangouts video call on another device but you want to join it from your mobile, go ahead and open up the app on your mobile device and you'll see your ongoing call listed up at the top. Select that and you can join from there.
When you're in the video call, touch the bottom of the screen for a few additional options. You can mute, turn the camera off, you can turn the camera around, or you can also change it to where the sound's coming out of the speaker rather than your earpiece.
Try using Hangouts the next time you need to send someone your location or turn your message into a video call. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Hangouts on Air is Google's solution for broadcasting live events like discussions or webinars. Now, we use this on our team primarily for customer solution events, but other Googlers use this for political debates, music events. There's a lot of use cases for it.